Hey guys, here's the Fanamation Islander again. This time I put the 4 blades on. Looks kind of cool. I still like the 5 blades better. But yeah. Top. So yeah, on the low. Still has that aesthetic low speed. And you can really see how how much the blade pitch is. Alright, now put it to medium. Still blows as much air as it with 5 blades. It kind of does go a little bit faster. This has less drag on it. Now for high. Now it shows how much this K55 has to say on the 4 blades. And you can hear the air whipping noise much more. There's a lot of air still. Probably gonna put the 5 blades back on after this video. So yeah, that is the 44-inch Fanamation Islander ceiling fan with 4 blades. Yeah, that's it. Bye.